Converting the gas furnace to an electric heat pump at Andy's Heating and Air Conditioning is smart. From maintaining a safer environment to saving costs in the long run, switching to an electric heating pump from a gas furnace will benefit your home. You're sure to experience consistent heat throughout the winter. Electric heating pumps are customizable and require less maintenance. Homeowners will also enjoy peace of mind without worrying about the fluctuating gas price. In addition, you can regulate modern electric heating pumps to give you the right temperature you need for your home. Let our expert help convert your gas furnace to an electric heat pump. Call us at 844-542-6337 or visit our website at www.andysacla.com to book a free consultation.